In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. We'll walk through the process in classic Outlook and keep it simple, clear, and efficient so you can confidently send professional invites that land on everyone's calendar. First, open Classic Outlook. If you're looking at your email, switch over to the calendar by clicking the calendar icon in the bottom left corner. This moves you from mail into the calendar view, where you can choose day, work week, or month. Pick whatever helps you see your schedule best. To start a new meeting invitation, you have two easy options. Click the New Event button at the top, or click directly on a time slot in your calendar to use the Quick Compose view. If you need more room to type or want to see all options at once, you can open the full event form from there. The choice just depends on how much detail you plan to add. Now add your meeting details. Give your event a clear title so recipients immediately understand the purpose. In the description, include a short agenda or any context people should know before they join. This helps attendees come prepared and keeps the meeting focused. Next, add your attendees by typing their names. Outlook will suggest people from your organization as you type. You can include external guests too, just type their full email addresses. Keep an eye on the required and optional attendee fields if you want to distinguish between must-have participants and nice-to-have guests. Before you lock in a time, make sure it works for everyone. Use the calendar preview or open the scheduling assistant to see when attendees are free. In that view, you'll see availability so you can adjust the date and time to minimize conflicts. If you're working across time zones, double-check the time zone selector to avoid confusion. Next, choose where the meeting will happen. If it's in person, add a physical location, like a conference room. If it's online, toggle on Teams meeting. Outlook will automatically insert a Teams link and dial in details if they're available for your account. It's best to choose either a physical location or an online link so your guests know exactly how to join. When everything looks good, click Send. Your attendees will receive an invite they can accept, and the meeting will appear on everyone's calendars. If you need to make changes later, open the event, update the details, and send the update so everyone stays informed. Thanks for watching.